Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Your Name, and today we're diving into a powerful new pre-built gaming PC that just dropped on Amazon, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop, model A8NVL-446US. This system is packing some serious next-gen hardware, including the AMD Ryzen R7-8700F, the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and a fast 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. It also supports VR gaming, includes USB Type-C, and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, everything ready to go straight out of the box. Before we jump in, don't forget, if you want to check this PC out for yourself, I've placed my Amazon affiliate link down in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now let's get into why the MSI Codex Z2 might be one of the best plug-and-play gaming PCs for 2025. Let's start with the heart of the system, the AMD Ryzen R7-8700F. This is an 8-core CPU built on AMD's latest architecture, designed for high-performance gaming and multitasking. Whether you're streaming, video editing, rendering, or doing heavy productivity work, this chip handles it all with ease. One of the best things about the R7-8700F is how efficient it is. You get excellent performance without a ton of heat and power draw. When paired with the RTX 5060, this CPU offers a balanced, bottleneck-free gaming experience. It's especially good for competitive titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, and Fortnite, where high frame rates matter. Now let's talk about the part most gamers care about, the graphics card. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 brings next-generation features like improved ray tracing, better DLSS support, and more efficient performance per watt compared to the previous 40 series. With this GPU, you can expect smooth gameplay at 1080p and strong performance at 1440p in most AAA titles. Ray tracing-heavy games like Cyberpunk 2077, Alan Wake 2, and Metro Exodus will run beautifully thanks to NVIDIA's updated technologies. If you're planning on VR gaming, this PC is also fully VR-ready, so you can hook up headsets like the Meta Quest 3 or Valve Index without any issues. One thing MSI did really well with the Codex Z2 is airflow design. Inside, you get 4 system cooling fans, 3 in the front bringing cool air in, and 1 in the rear pushing hot air out. On top of that, MSI includes an ARGB air cooler for the CPU, helping keep temperatures stable even during long gaming sessions. For a pre-built PC at this price point, this cooling setup is impressive. A lot of budget pre-built struggle with airflow, but MSI clearly prioritized thermals here. Better airflow means quieter operation, longer component life, and more consistent gaming performance. The case design on the MSI Codex Z2 is clean, modern, and very gamer-friendly. The front panel offers a stylish, minimal look while still allowing solid air intake. Inside, the cable management is tidy, making the whole system feel premium and ready for upgrades. You also get USB Type-C, plenty of rear I/O options, and ports for all your peripherals. Whether you're plugging in a VR headset, external drive, or capture card, you'll be fully covered. Now let's talk about lighting. If you love RGB, MSI added some awesome built-in lighting effects. With the MSI LED button, you can instantly switch between lighting modes, no software needed. But if you want deeper control, you can use MSI Center, which lets you customize colors, patterns, brightness, and sync everything together. Whether you want a clean white glow or a full rainbow wave, you can personalize your setup however you like. So how does the MSI Codex Z2 actually perform in real gaming scenarios? With the Ryzen R7-8700F and the RTX 5060 combo, you can expect 1080p ultra settings in almost any modern game, 1440p high performance with smooth frame rates, excellent ray tracing performance with DLSS enabled, strong VR support, and great multitasking for creators, streamers, and students. The 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM ensures you never run out of memory, even if you're streaming, editing, browsing, and gaming simultaneously. And the 1 terabyte NVMe SSD loads games incredibly fast. No more waiting on slow menus or giant open-world load times. The system comes with Windows 11 Home, giving you access to all the latest gaming features, direct storage support, and better optimization for modern processors. MSI also recommends Windows 11 Pro for business users, but for the average gamer or everyday user, Windows 11 Home is more than enough. This desktop is ideal for gamers who want a ready-to-use high-performance PC, beginners who don't want to build their own system, streamers looking for smooth multitasking, students who need both power and reliability, and VR users needing enough GPU strength. If you want a system that performs extremely well in today's games and will stay relevant for years to come, the Codex Z2 is a fantastic option. To wrap things up, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop hits an incredible balance of performance, features, cooling, and design. With next-gen components like the Ryzen R7-8700F and the new RTX 5060, plus fast DDR5 memory and a 1TB NVMe drive, it's one of the best all-around pre-built systems on Amazon right now. If you're interested in grabbing this PC or checking out the latest price, make sure to click the Amazon affiliate link below. It helps support the channel and lets me bring you more reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.